Hi, welcome back to our tutorials. My name is Ashley Honeycutt. I'm the Director of Health Coaching Operations here at YourCoach Health, as well as a nationally board certified health and wellness coach. Today we're going to be talking about our tiers and our perks system, something we're always really excited about and coaches are always really intrigued about, so I'm excited to cover it. There's a couple of different ways you can find this information. Of course, it's on our website and our blog. You can also find it right within the platform. Today, we're going to be looking at it through our web-based platform. We do also have the app, so you can definitely see it on there. When you come into the app, you can scroll over to your name, and when you click on this down arrow, you're going to see My Profile. You click on that, it's going to pull this up, and we can click on the YC certification page. And then you're going to pull up right here. There's a couple of things you'll see here. You'll see your current tier, your current points within that tier. We'll see a button for the roadmap, which you're going to click on in just a minute. We'll see the perks and our progress towards those perks. So for instance, we can see this one is highlighted since it's been unlocked, and we'll see these are ones that are still yet to be unlocked. And then we can also see a history of all of the points that we have earned towards our tiers and our perks. So we'll see, 50 points, 25 points, all the way down. Every action we're doing that we're coaching is helping get us closer and closer to these tiers and the perks. So what are tiers and perks, right? Let's take a look at the roadmap and let's start there. If I click right here, I'm going to see the roadmap. Our tiers are what lowers the price of the platform. It's our gamified process where the more clients you help, the less you pay to run your practice. So we start here at tier 1, which is $40 a month. Spoiler alert, nobody pays $40 a month because by the time that you set up your practice, you've uploaded your certifications, and you've created your programs, you're already moving towards tiers 2 and 3. Again, this is lowering the price of the platform as you're moving through the tiers. As you continue working with clients and you're accumulating points, you're going to continue to drop the price of your platform every single month. So you're going to see the tiers, and then you're going to see how many points you need to gain to get to each of these tiers. Till finally we end up at tier 7 with 7,000 points, and it's only $10 a month. Then we also have our perks. So perks are a little bit different. Perks are additional things that you get as a thank you for all of the clients that you've helped and for being part of the YourCoach family. So one of our perks is being featured. This is opportunities to be featured on social medias, in our blogs, and in our newsletters. If I click on this, you can see this is a feature that I have unlocked, and it lets me know exactly what I did to unlock that feature. We're all about authenticity and transparency here, so everything is right here at your fingertips. So you'll see to get this feature, I needed to have completed a coach or a practice profile, which I've done. I needed to have an approved certificate, which I've uploaded, and I need to have at least one active program with at least one enrolled client. All done, so this feature is unlocked. I can also have VIP access to events. This one is not unlocked on this account yet. This is complimentary tickets and event recordings for our continuing education classes. So to get this one, you would have 3 active programs with at least 3 total unique enrolled clients. You would need also 5 invited clients who have registered on the platform and 1 coach who's invited and registered on the platform. You'll also see here this little exclamation mark, and if I click on this, it explains exactly how it works. We always want to make sure you have all of the information that you need. So it lets us know you need to invite a new coach to the platform who then registers and creates a practice. Send us an email with the name of the newly registered coach, and we'll check this condition off once we confirm the newly registered coach. Just let you know how that process works. We also have the opportunity for leveling up your skills. This is where you can attend exclusive coach skill building sessions. To unlock this perk, you need to have 3 completed programs with at least 3 unique clients, and you'll always see your progress. So I can see here that I have 1 of the 3 needed here. You also need to have 3 completed clients goals with client reported achievement satisfaction over 80% for those 3 clients. So remember that client reported achievement satisfaction comes when they complete the goals and they rate their satisfaction with it at the end of it. You also need to have 3 client questionnaires sent out and completed and at least 2,500 points. And finally, we have new client opportunities. So these are opportunities for contract work with our industry partners. To unlock this perk, you would need to have at least 200 active chat messages. You need to have 8 completed programs with at least 8 unique clients, 6 completed clients goals with client reported achievement satisfaction over 80% for those 6 clients, and a successful onboarding with our YourCoach Health Coaching Operations team, and as well as 5,000 points. Of course, if you've got these things, you're likely over that 5,000 points, because through the process of coaching, you are accumulating points for every questionnaire you send out, for every live session that you host, for every session note that you put in. You're accumulating these points as you go along. So that's it for our tiers and perks. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. We encourage you to check out our blog. And of course, if there's anything else additional we can do for you, please feel free to reach out with these blue headphones right here in the top right of your platform. Have a wonderful day.